All right, so I wanted to hop on here real quick because I wanted to show you my hybrid approach when it comes to working with the Machine Plus and my summing mixer. So I get questions every once in a while, and people ask me, hey, do you use your external outputs in Machine? And if so, how do you do it? I think I have a video on that already on my channel. If I don't, just let me know, and I will make a video explaining more about how I have it set up. But basically what's going on, I have my Machine Plus. I'm using my Orion Studio. That's my audio interface. I have it going from my Machine Plus through the converters of the Antelope Audio Orion Studio, and it's going into my R&D 5059, which is my summing mixer. Out of the summing mixer back into Machine Plus, and it's coming through a subgroup, and that group lies on Group D. So as you can see on the screen here, I have external 10, 11, and 12. And again, that's going out of the machine, going to the Rupert Neve Designs summing mixer, out of the summing mixer, back into machine on the subgroup, which is D. And the reason why I have it routed like this is because I want to have control over my master. So if I want to add effects, I can do so. So if I come over to my master channel, you'll see when I go to plugin, I have something like the T-Rack soft clipper here. So if I bypass that, I'll have something like this here. Let me just go ahead and play this from like the hook. This is perfect. Okay. So, and then my control lies right here for the volume. So everything is being controlled right here from my stereo. So again, I have it going from the Machine Plus to the R&D, out of the R&D, back to the Machine Plus to a subgroup. And then I have that subgroup routed to the master. So I have better control over my mix. So if I go to the master and I go to plugins, as you can see, I have different plugins here, and I have my T-Rack clipper, and then I have my limiter here. So if I bypass that, so really cool stuff here. If you guys haven't already, check out my machine playlist I have on my YouTube. That's Fizz ENT. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.